how to find your recently deleted stories or posts on your Instagram account. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you subscribe and you like this video. So let's start. First you will go to your Instagram. Then when your Instagram is opening guys, we'll just go down and you will go to here on your profile. Then you will go up and click on this three line, and then on this three line you will go to your activity, and then you will go down, you will go to recently deleted, and here you will find your recently deleted story or post on this Instagram account. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful and useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.